For my friends, it will be short video, just unboxing. I ordered a couple of them and I will show you what we have, how we install. Inside here battery, you see type of battery. Here is the same, and what we have here. There are some variant with different buttons. I ordered only with one. Second one, part of comfort. And so we have all what we need for install it, and more 1000 sold on AliExpress. So in description of this video would be link where I ordered it, about $8 per one this comfort, and other $8 for second one. Also in near future would be review of this one, cool flashlight. I am still testing it. Maybe I showed it before. Review would be soon. That's all. Put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see a lot of different reviews, different items what I ordered on AliExpress, flashlight, knives, and other things. That's all. Bye bye.